Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of March 29th through April 4th. This weekend is Easter, so I got this kit from Lahlaland. It's called Somebody Loves You. I just printed off the first page, which is the full box page, as well as the full box checklist page. I think this is really all I need. I'm going to add in some other extras because I think that'll be fun. I pulled these 3 washies to use along here, and then these 2 for the bottom washi. These 2 are from Amazon, the skinny one's from Dollar Tree. Ooh, I hope I have enough left. Just realized that it's like really tiny on that. Hopefully I have enough left. All right, so those 3, and then this one's from Michael's, 1 ton in a million at Michael's with Craftsmith, and then this one's from AliExpress with these cute little bunnies on it. So I'm gonna stick these on the bottom. I'm gonna stick the yellow up here, and then I'm gonna stick, I think in this order, like so. And then while I'm at it, I'm gonna stick down all these full box checklists because you don't need to watch me do that because it's not that fun. So I'm gonna do all those things and then come back and we can do all the interesting bits. All right, there we go. Love how it's turning out. As you can see, these 2 blues aren't perfectly the same. Maybe you can't tell on the camera, but I think once I put everything all together, it's gonna look really cute and it's not gonna matter. I saved this one of all the checklists. I made it match this one because if I end up not using it, it doesn't have anything Easter themed, so it'll be great for leftovers still. All right, so we have 3 that are pink background and then 5 that are blue background. So I think I'm going to choose a blue background one here. I kind of want to split this up because it's like a vertical box, but that's not practical. So I think I'm going to take that one and use that as my sidebar. There we go. And then I think it was the previous week I was lining up on the other side, but I'm back the way I usually am, so we're all good there. And then here we're gonna alternate, so I think I'm gonna stick this one that like doesn't have a friend in there. As you can tell, the washi is too wide, just like I've done many other weeks. Once it's covered up, nobody can even tell. And I think I'm gonna stick this one on Saturday. And then this one on Tuesday. It means that like the pinks and blues and whatever are like lined up here, but it doesn't really bother me. I think it looks cute. All right, then I think I'm gonna put this one on Monday, not for any logical reason, and then this one on Sunday, because it's Easter. So it should have a giant bunny. Seems applicable, right? Oh, this one did not cut cleanly. All right, there we go. I think I stick this one here. And then this one right here. All right, there we go. Now I just have these little skinny boxes left on this page as well. As you may have noticed, I did manage to make it through all of this up here, but not a lot left. So I'm gonna end up using this, I think, quite a bit as I go through. So let's start out with the sidebar. I want to use some more of this yellow because I'm going to try to use it up because there's definitely not enough left at this point to do another row of headers like up here. So I think that would be a good plan. I pulled these leftovers from Counting Sheepy, and I'm going to use some of them because I feel like the colors kind of go pretty well. So there's that. I forgot all my right icons for this. Hang on 1 second. All right, I'm back. Hopefully that wasn't like super jarring and annoying. As always, I'm gonna do Instagram. Here, these are my Piper Paper Company icons that I use every single week. As always, I have a discount code below if you want to use it. Trying to decide what color is so hard. I guess I'll use yellow. I feel like April is yellow in my mind, so it seems like a good choice. Anyone else feel like months have colors? I don't know. All right, now that that's down, I'm gonna find my nice skinny washi again. Stick another row in, I think, like so. Oh, it's starting to shred again. This washi is like so bad down here at the end. Just trim off that little piece. So definitely excited to finish that up. Next, I'm going to use this next week box leftover because it has 7 spaces on it. I have all these scrippy scraps. I like can't. Okay, so this is the next week box from the Counting Sheepy. I am going to actually trim the top of it a little bit so that it kind of is like symmetrical. There we go. And then I don't actually want it to say next week, so I pulled my leftover headers, and I have this one from Sarah Elizabeth Prince, I believe, that says dinners. And I'm just gonna run it across right there for my dinners. So that's perfect. And then another row of this washi that is again shredding to nothingness. All right, setting this to the side again. Don't know if I need that. I'm gonna use this header that says odds and ends as well. From that same leftovers. Hopefully that's straight. And then use this box right here. Like so. There's my sidebar. Thank you for your service. As Caitlin says, that's all done now. I'm just gonna stick a few little to-dos in there. All right, I still have a tiny bit of this left, so I will find a space for it somewhere. Okay, so starting on the week. My plan, because we don't have like a lot of stuff with the stuff I printed out, I have this American Crafts book and I have these cute little like flower stickers. So I'm gonna use these to mark work. I'm just gonna take ones that are in colors that kind of go and just stick them down. So yellow, I feel like this blue goes. The teal can go. And then I think this pink one can go. If I can get it without getting the paper. And then also this peach one. So I'm just gonna stick those on my hand for later when I need that. All right, so that's marking work. Got that done. The other thing I want to mark is my plan with me. So for that, I'm gonna use Piper Paper Company icon. I seem to not use these light gray ones very often, so I'm just gonna use it because I think it'll look cute. So there we go. Done. That's Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, I've got nothing. Honestly, this whole time, I've got nothing. Thursday, Friday, this could turn into something here. I don't know, we'll have to see, but right now, nothing. So that just leaves us with marking Easter for Sunday. So I don't have a lot of Easter stickers because that's just not my thing, but I did find these Corsa's Creations stickers that are like, they're called the Tutti Frutti Glam Girl icons, but they're in like little fruit dresses. But I feel like Easter is really about like spring Easter dresses, let's be honest. So I'm gonna use this girl. I'm gonna have her cover up part of the header, I think, because I want to use the big version of her, but then also it's kind of tall. Then I have my Happy Planner holidays, just like I've used like 100 times. Not really 100, but you know what I mean. I have not used all of them. I'm skipping the April Fool's Day one because it takes up too much space and I don't even do anything for April Fool's Day. All right, there we go. Now it says Easter. I think it's really cute and springy and goes with the kit. So that's my like super pathetic pre-planning. Oh, I should stick down these guys. Forgot to do that. There we go. All done. That's my pre-planning. I'm not even gonna write anything in because there's just not enough to be worth the effort. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I love how it turned out. It is so cute. If I don't mention anything, it came from the kit from Lahlaland Studio. I used up the second page that I printed. So I've used everything from what I printed, which is always awesome. Going down the side, this washi tape is from Dollar Tree. This and this tracker are leftovers from Counting Sheepy, I believe. And this is a Piper Paper Studio. These two headers are leftovers probably from Sarah Elizabeth Prints. These flowers are all from American Crafts. This is Piper Paper Company, more American Crafts. And then these two headers are from Amazon. My cat's like trying to attack everything right now. So let me just like rearrange stuff. Okay, hopefully that worked out. More American Crafts. This one is from Creative Cover Studio, American Crafts, American Crafts, American Crafts, Creative Cover Studio. This is from an Agenda 52 book at Hobby Lobby. More American Crafts. This is a Piper Paper Studio, American Crafts, Agenda 52 book, Creative Cover Studio. This is a Corsa's Creations little girl, and then Happy Planner Easter script, American Crafts, and then Piper Paper Company. The bottom washi, the bunny one, is from AliExpress, and then the other one is from Wonton and a Million, using the Craftsmith line at Michael's. So I think that's everything. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Tell me what kits you're using for the next few months. I'm definitely curious and I'm still trying to figure it out. So last minute kit planning is apparently the way it's going right now. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress, finished spreads, to tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.